Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use Countif, and Countifs formulas in Microsoft Excel. So how to use Countif, and Countifs formulas in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. The Countif, and Countifs functions in Excel have differences in how to count cells in a data range. First, here is the count function. The count function is used to count the number of cells that contain numbers. The method is tap cell. Type equals. Type the formula count. Type open brackets. Now here enter data that contains numbers. Here block all stock data. Type close brackets. And tap enter. Here you can see the results. For the next function Counta. The difference with Countif, Counta counts all cells that are not empty, whether they contain numbers, text, or dates. The method. The method is tap cell. Type equals. Type the formula, count. Type open brackets. Well, here enter the data that contains free. Here block all size data. Type close brackets. And tap enter. Second, the function of Countif. Countif allows users to count the number of cells that meet a certain criterion. How to? For example, here we are looking for pants. Tap empty cell. Type equals. Type the formula, Countif. Type open brackets. Enter the position of all the cells we are looking for. Type semicolon. Type double quotes. Type the word we want to search for. Type double quotes. Type close brackets. Tap enter to see the results. For the next you can also use this. For example, here we are looking for medium. Tap empty cell. Type equals. Type the formula, Countif. Type open brackets. Enter the position of all the cells we are looking for. Enter the cell we are looking for by tap. Type close brackets. Tap enter to see the results. Third, the Countifs function. Countifs is more flexible because it can count the number of cells that meet several criteria in one or more data ranges. For example, here I will look for two criteria, namely, shirt and discount. How to tap empty cell? Type equals. Type formula, Countifs. Type open brackets. Block all data that contains the word pants. Type semicolon. Tap cell that we want to search. Type semicolon. Block all data that contains the word discount. Type semicolon. Tap cell that we want to search. Type close brackets. Tap enter to see the results. So that's it. Tutorial how to use Countif, and Countifs formulas in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.